How to fix no sound / mic issue when using PS Remote Play app on PC for PS5 / PS4. 1. Check if your own mic is muted or not. 2. Check PC sound settings. 2.1 Ensure the both right output sound device and the input device are chosen. 2.2 Ensure the microphone. You're using for audio is rightly selected. 2.3 Check and increase the output and input volume. 2.4 Set 100 to PS. Remote play volume in volume mixer. Like this. 2.5 Re-choose the default speakers. In playback under more sound settings. 2.6 Re-choose default. Microphone device in recording.